This is a list, okay, of mass shootings in the United States. Just in, hold on, that's the wrong one, y'all. That's all of them. I mean, yeah, I kept this one up for a reason. But let me start with this year. So this is a list of mass shootings in the United States in 2021. Look at this map. So for it to be labeled a mass shooting, that means it would have needed to have more than 3 victims. Now, this is what I mean when I say sit back and look at things, see how shit play out. Sometimes you got to look into this to really see how Mercenary's working. Notice all these are strategic targeted cities. Look at the map. Look how it's spaced out. Notice where it ain't no mass shootings at, and notice where all the mass shootings at. Look, high populate Chicago. Look at all of Chicago, Wisconsin, Cali. This year. That's this year. This year. We in 2021. Okay? Texas. Look, Louisiana. All right? Most of your cities, look at Florida. They've been going crazy in Florida, boy. Look at somebody said about to move to Utah. Hell no. Hey, I don't know who said it. Hold on. I just seen the comment flash, man. What y'all on, man? What I'm trying to teach, man, and y'all know I'm goofy. Who talking about they trying to move to Utah? Somebody talking about somebody. I'm about to. Hey, they showing love in the tall, ain't they? And most of the tall ain't nothing but them. That's what you gotta know. Look, man. Notice these spots that ain't getting hit up is where they highly populated at, though. Look. Wow. Now, you know we everywhere, but we ain't really out here like that. We probably scattered, you know what I'm saying? We a little scattered everywhere, you know what I'm saying? But we mostly up in here, all in the South, all over up East Coast, all in the Midwest, nigga. Look. These states, look, Vegas only had one. Look. Look at they ass think they slick. Okay, so look, yeah, though, but so for you to understand this shit, this was all the mass shootings being, and that's just in 2021 alone, y'all. Yeah, when I said Vegas, I meant Nevada, but yeah, I don't know where that is in Nevada, but yeah, that's what I meant though. Whoever that was trying to be technical, you mean Nevada? Like, come on, man, you know what I mean? Vegas, the state, Nevada, yeah, Las Vegas, Nevada, you know. I don't know nothing else in Nevada but Vegas, so that's why I said Vegas when I seen the state. But so look at this though. All right. So now let's look. We gonna start at. First off, before we look at all these, let me focus on something. Let me show you. I want to focus on one in particular. That's all this year, y'all. It's all this year alone. All right, now, before I focus on that one in particular, let me show you. They've been doing this for a long time. Now, this is a list of mass shootings, period, in the United States. Like throughout all the years, you know what I'm saying? All the years from 1920. Look. From the 20s. You see this shit? This shit started from the 20s all the way up to this year. And when you go look at this list of mass shootings, once again, you're going to notice they all took place. Once again, look, it looks just like that other map, don't it? All in these same places where we very highly populated at. All right? Okay? It looks just like the fucking map. This the one for the whole one. See, list of mass shootings in the United States. And when I click on the second window, this one was the list of mass shootings in 2021. Okay? So all of these mass shootings was mercenary groups. 99.9% of them. You might have a few where it was actually somebody. The bulk of these, when I'm saying 99%, I'm trying to just let you know that majority of these mass shootings be these mercenary groups. And you got a lot of ex-military and current military people that take these positions. Like I say, you got CIA people, FBI that take these positions.
Peace. to the gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy, always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, and hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.